Flying drones has become one of the most popular outdoor activities for kids. In a market where drones come in all shapes, sizes, and price points, it can be intimidating to figure out on your own. Reason why we are making your work simple with the following list of drones for kids. Number 1, RC Stunt Drone. This RC Stunt Drone has incredible durability, great for novice flyers. Designed for beginners, with user-friendly remote and easy to learn how to maneuver. Eye-catching and colorful, it comes with extra propellers and 2 batteries for longer-lasting fun. Great fun for kids and adults. The 360-degree flip is a blast. Highly recommended. Its charging time about 60 minutes and the flight time about 5-6 hours. Number 2, Eachine E010 Mini Quadcopter Drone. The Eachine E010 Mini Quadcopter is great for flying indoors. This drone can perform 360-degree flips with one touch of a button, and the colorful LED lights makes flying full of fun. With one key return and headless mode, beginners can fly the drone easily, and ducts around the propeller helps to prolong life of the quad and props, making it more durable. Offers 2 modes, beginner and expert. Small enough so you can put their whole drone into your pocket. Makes a great gift and fun to fly. Number 3, Airhog's Star Wars RC Ultimate Millennium Falcon. Now you can make the Kessel Run in less than 12 passes with the flying Star Wars Ultimate Millennium Falcon. Fly the most iconic ship in their Star Wars universe right in your own home. The Millennium Falcon is constructed from impact-resistant foam, making it resilient to minor crashes. The foam core ducts provide the rotors extra protection when flying indoors and out. Its authentic lights and sounds bring their Millennium Falcon to life as you fly. Number 4, Cheerwing RC Headless Quadcopter Drone. The Cheerwing RC Headless Quadcopter Drone has the awesome UFO look kids really like. Equipped with a HD camera that allows FPV pairing with your iOS or Android mobile device, so you can stream a live video and or photo feed while in flight. The gravity induction mode, headless mode and low voltage alert are great features for all beginners and can do 360 flips. Double your flying time up to 20 minutes. With the 2 pieces LiPo batteries included, it can be swapped or charged in place easily via USB. Equipped with LED navigation lights and remote control signal light for a realistic look during nighttime flight. Enjoy the flights both indoors and out. Number 5, Qucopter Quadcopter Drone. The Qucopter QC1 is a great drone packed with amazing features. An Amazon bestseller. Offers 15-minute flying time, which is doubled with the extra battery. More flying time equals more fun. Comes with a 2MP HD camera that can capture videos and photos. Its shiny green finish makes it easy to see in the air. The colored LEDs make it visually striking. Their included prop guards help protect the gears and motors in case of a crash. It's a solid and cheap choice for any beginner. Click the links below to buy any of the great products on Amazon.